We've seen a big shift in the real estate market recently, so if you're thinking of selling your home, it matters more than ever who you decide to work with. I'm Jennifer Crosby with the Whissel Realty Group, and I'm going to explain to you what we do differently in this changing market to really showcase your property. When you list your home, you only get one chance to make a first impression. So we want to make sure that that first impression is a lasting impression. One of the ways that we do this is through our trademarked 7-day listing launch strategy. So let's dive into it. Day one, we have our own in-house media team that's going to come out and take high-quality professional pictures of your property. When people are looking at homes, if that first picture doesn't grab their attention, they swipe right on to the next property, right? So we want to make sure that your home is going to stand out from all the others. Day two, we're going to put together a floor plan and a 3D tour of your home. What this does is it allows the home buyer to get a really good idea of what it's going to feel like to walk through your home without ever having to inconvenience you. This is very beneficial because some home buyers want to know, is the primary bedroom on the first floor or the second floor? Day three, we're going to run a direct mailing campaign to all of your closest neighbors. What we know is that you might have renters that could be potential buyers, or your neighbors might know somebody who's interested in moving into the area. So we want to make sure that all your neighbors know that your house is for sale. Day four, we're going to run a coming soon campaign. This is when we push your listings to thousands of other agents within our brokerage to let them know about your property. We have the technology that can find potential buyers that are looking for a home just like yours before we even put it on the open market. Day five, we're going to install signage on your property. Our signs are designed to grab your attention, and they also include a QR code that we've all become familiar with, which allows home buyers to scan the code and get all the information about your property and schedule a showing. If they call the number on the sign, they're always going to get an answer to our client concierge team because we want to make sure that we don't miss any opportunities from a potential buyer. Day six, we go live on the MLS. We're very strategic about what day we go live. The data shows us that most home buyers are searching for homes on Thursday and Fridays. So we make sure that your home goes live on a Wednesday or Thursday so that when it syndicates to all the big sites like Zillow or Realtor.com, it's showing your home at the top of their search on the busiest days of the week. Day seven, we're going to run a targeted social media campaign. We're going to determine who we think is the most likely buyer for your home. Is it a first-time home buyer or a larger family with kids or maybe an investor? We're going to design our campaign to target that particular buyer. So you can see that we're very methodic about every step we take in marketing your home so that we can make a big impact, ultimately getting you the highest price possible. So if you have any more questions about our 7-day listing launch, or if you have any questions at all about selling your home in this challenging market, give me a call today for a free consultation.